Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you? I hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to share some happy mail I got, which I got about 2 weeks ago, so around the middle of February 2025. It's a Christmas card. When it came to my door, I was not expecting a Christmas card. Now, last year, our postal service here in Canada was on strike from November 15th to about December 15th. Now, remember that date because November 15th was my birthday. So they were on strike for about a month till the middle of December. So I should have got this car at least the beginning of January. Well, it showed up halfway through February 2025. Yeah, because the person that sent it on November 22nd. So we were still on strike at that time. Well, not we, I wasn't, but Canada Post was. So anyway, here it is, my happy mail. I love it. It's a beautiful card. Look at these sails. They're very beautiful. Very beautiful. It says Happy Holidays. And I'm hiding the sunshine on my desk here, so. All right, wishing you bright days, cozy nights, and the warmth of the holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Prayers, love, and hugs, Barbara Leanhard. So thank you so much, Barbara. I so appreciate the cards and postcards and things that you send me. I'm sorry it took a while to open it. It took a while to get here, too. Well, actually, it was probably sitting in the post office, right? Finally decided to get it out to me the middle of February. But yes, I do appreciate it, and it's a beautiful card. Look at the lighthouse back there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, thank you, Barbara. I actually have a question for all of you. I've been wanting to design a raglan style cardigan. All right, I'll show you, let's see, show you the yarn. I plan on using, I think I showed it before. Trying to block that sunlight. Okay. Karen's Cinnamon Swirl Cake. It's very interesting, I think. I like this design that's, in here. I'm kind of excited about seeing how that works out. Let's see, what color is this? And this is a 4-weight cookie cream swirl. 100% acrylic. 8 ounces, 227 grams, 470 yards, 372 meters. I have 3 of these, and that'll be enough to make me make a cardigan for myself. I'm about a large. Let's see, what's the yardage again here? 407, so 1,200. Oh, it's over 1,200 yards, so it'll be enough. But yeah, I want to make a raglan style cardigan. I need a stitch. The increased stitches will be V-stitches, but then I'll need a stitch that's going to run down the middle of the back, on the shoulders, and then down each side of the front. So I was thinking shell stitch. Like, I'm asking from you guys if you could put in the comments different stitches that you like. What's your favorite stitch? If you think a shell stitch is good, just write shell stitch. I'm wanting to start on this very soon. I may even show you my process, what I do to design a raglan cardigan. It starts off with a bunch of circles on a paper. Thank you again, Barbara, for this beautiful card. Hey, thanks, guys. I'll see you again soon, and the next video will probably be myself designing the raglan cardigan. But anyway, thank you, guys, and I'll see you as soon as I can. All right, thanks. Bye. In the meantime, check out these raglan style cardigans and tops that I've designed.